Welcome to this session on Docker. In this video, we'll explore what Docker is, why it's important, and how it solves real world problems for developers. Let's get started. Imagine you're working on a software project. Over time, libraries, frameworks, and dependencies change. Some code that worked 2 years ago might stop working because of version updates. Docker provides a solution to this problem. Docker is a platform that helps developers build, share, and run applications inside lightweight containers. A Docker container includes the code, the runtime system, tools and libraries, specific versions of dependencies. This ensures that an application runs consistently across different environments. Let's look at an example. Let's consider a real world problem. Developer 1 starts a project today. Developer 2 joins 2 years later. By this time, the framework and library versions have changed. The new developer struggles because some dependencies are not working properly. Now, imagine the project is finally completed and deployed on a server. But wait, the server has different software versions and the application crashes. Docker solves this. With Docker, you can package the application with everything it needs inside a container. This ensures that your code runs exactly the same way on your machine, another developer's system, or the production server. Let's look at an example. Suppose you are building a project using these technologies: Node.js 16, NPM 7.2, React 16.3, Webpack 4, Jest 23.1.0. Without Docker, another developer might have Node.js 18 or a different Webpack version, leading to errors. But with Docker, we define these versions inside a container, ensuring consistency across all environments. Now, you might be wondering, why should you learn Docker? Let's find out. Docker is an essential skill for developers, required for experienced developers, helps in deploying projects efficiently, increases job opportunities and helps in salary hikes, improves productivity by reducing environment-related bugs. Companies today expect developers to know how to work with Docker. So, if you're serious about your career, learning Docker is a must. In this training, we will cover Docker introduction, setting up Docker on Windows, understanding images and containers, how to create Docker files, deploying applications using Docker, and much more. By the end of this training, you'll be able to confidently use Docker for building and deploying applications.